Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Trezor Model T and connect to MetaMask, full guide step by step clearly. To install the Trezor Model T and connect it to MetaMask, start by unboxing your Trezor Model T. Ensure you have a stable internet connection and access to your computer. Next, visit the official Trezor website to download the Trezor Suite software. Click on the download link suitable for your operating system. Once the download is complete, locate the file and run the installer. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation process. After installation, launch the Trezor Suite application. Connect your Trezor Model T to your computer using the provided USB cable. Once connected, you will see a welcome screen on the Trezor Suite. If this is your first time using the device, select Set up a new wallet. Follow the prompts to create a new wallet, including setting a You will also need to back up your recovery seed phrase. Write down the seed phrase on paper and store it in a secure location. After completing the setup, you will enter the dashboard of the Trezor Suite. Now, to connect your Trezor to MetaMask, open the MetaMask browser extension. Log into your MetaMask account or create a new one if needed. Once logged in, click on your profile icon in the upper right corner. Select Connect Hardware Wallet from the drop-down menu. Choose Trezor from the list of available hardware wallets. Click Connect and follow the prompts to authorize the connection. Select your Trezor account to integrate it with MetaMask. Ensure that you approve the connection on the Trezor device. You should now see your Trezor wallet balance appear in MetaMask. Congratulations, your Trezor Model T is successfully installed and connected to MetaMask. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.